Good day, traders. How you doing today? We had some nice setups today. This is for sure. So, this is the NASDAQ. 5 minute, okay? Here's the first trade setup. This is the 5 minute time frame. If you see up above here, look at the top of the screen, 5 minute, okay? And right from exactly the highest point, which is right there, to here. Let's see, was it even still downward to here? Yeah. Okay, let's line it up, but it goes into the red. Let's see here. Let's show you. It's this one. Lining it up perfectly today. Okay. Right there. See the highest blue, the highest Mount Everest. We're at the top of Mount Everest here. And then here we're down below sea level. Right here. Okay. Sea level is the top of here. Okay. I've never described it like that before, but yeah, it's good. It's good. Below sea level and way above Mount Everest. Okay. So, the open of the stock market was way over here. Way over here, ladies and gentlemen. This was the open of the stock market. There was, yes, there was news at 8:30, which was right here. Didn't do jack shit. Okay, let's put on our arrow. So our trade was exactly right there at 10 minutes after 8. You would sell it, your stop would be right there, 29, 30 points. And it went down 175 points. Now down here we have a low and a retracement. Oh, excuse me, and a lower low. There's no divergence there to buy it, for it to come up here. There's no divergence, okay? On the 5 minute, there's no divergence, except for this trade up here, the sell trade. So when we go slumming now to the 1 minute, okay? Oh, there was a beautiful, beautiful trade all the way down here. Okay. I didn't take it because my attention was elsewhere. It is trading against, at that point in time, the near-term trend. It was trading against it. Okay? So anyway, we would have got long somewhere in here. As soon as we see, you know, the moving averages separating, yeah, we would have got in right here. Okay? And how far did it go up? 150 points, basically. So that was a great trade. Great trade right there. You would have bought long. And, oh, Jason, don't forget, you talk too much. See, where would that line up? Oh, it's this one. So you have it drawn on the wrong one. There it is right there. That is beautiful divergence setup. Went up 148 points. Now, if you missed the entry point over here, okay, you had one more chance. Whether you're willing to do it or not, I don't know. But you see how the moving averages came together? Yeah, right in here. Yes, indeed. It was hidden, hard to see divergence, okay? Right there. Didn't even have to go this far. And right there, okay? All that we had to do is draw it to this pullback right here. And this right there. Oh, just spiked up again to another new high. Look at that, eh? Yeah, the market's still trading. Oh, yeah, baby. Okay. Right there. Right there. Everything's lined up. The stars, the moon, and Venus were all lined up. Yeah, never mind Mars. That's just a bunch of red dirt over there. There's no air either. There's no water either. They keep saying there is, but I don't believe them. All right, so you would have got long scalp trade right in here. Okay. I'm gonna start yawning. Or this is the second way of looking at it. You draw a line right across these highs here, okay? You have your order just above that wick, your buy stop order. So it would have went ding, it would have ticked, filled you maybe with a little bit of slippage because it raced up there. And you got in here, your stop would have been 20 points. Did it give you 20 points? Well, shit, yeah. In 4 minutes, it gave you 43 points. Okay, it was good, it was good. Yeah. And of course, there's no high, retracement higher high in a sell trade. No sell trade. It'd be against the trend anyway. And then we have all this shit show here. Okay. So for another trade, I'm making lots of trades today. Could have drew a trend line like that, or you could have drew this like this, which would have been the divergence, okay, to buy right here. And up it goes, 30 points. If you still held on, well, you're at 40. Oh, there she goes. Yeah. I was a buyer today, all the way over here, down here. Over here, I was a buyer. I wasn't so convinced yet right here. Yeah, I always miss my own trades because my mind tells me, don't buy, don't buy. This is just a little retracement and they're going to push it lower. But no. Once I saw some major bullishness right here, I was in. My mind was made up. So anyway, there's something I wanted to show you. Oh boy. For a long time. And it is the OSMA, which is a form of the MACD, okay? The OSMA versus the MACD. This is the two-line MACD, okay? So, do you see the difference? Do you see what I see? People have asked me over the years, why don't you use the MACD? It's the same as the OSMA. And then I send them a picture and say, no, it isn't. It's not the same. It's not the same at all. Okay, let's go over here. Oh, let's take this off. The same guy who taught me how to trade divergence, he's the same guy that said, oh, you should try the OSMA. It's very, it's just like the MACD, but it shows the mountains and the valleys so much clearer, right? You see how like here, look, this is some little mountaintop here on the MACD. But on here, look at this, man. This is Mount Everest. We're at the top of the world here. You see what I mean? You can see them. You can see them. See how small this little valley is? I mean this one. Compared to this one? See how small it is? Yeah. See this one? How it's half this. It's like 60% smaller. Unrecognizable as opposed to this one. See? That's why I use the OSMA. And the one other thing is when I get to it, gold. I want to look at gold. Actually, let's just get it out of the way now. I have one of my students. He wants to know, why don't you put gold on too, you know? And I said, well, it's not very divergent friendly. Not so much on a 5-minute chart. If you want to try and get trades on a 5-minute on gold, well, it can be difficult, okay? It can be difficult, ladies and gentlemen. It's a very, gold is a very rough market. It's like rough, man. It's like going 4x4 and down a dirt road. It's very rough to try and trade it. So let's look at gold now and get it over with. So there is some nice divergence that I have found, well, recently anyway, on gold on the 4 hours. So let's go look at a few of the trade setups, okay? Okay. Just a few of them. I'll show you how good it was, okay? Lately, it's been good. Since August. Since mid-August, it's been good. Actually, even before that. Yeah, we'll show you just from July, mid-July. We'll show you from mid-July, okay? Some quick setups right here. So here, right here. Hidden divergence right there. So you would have got long right there. Okay. That trade was good for about 300 points, 285 points. Then we had a high retracement, a higher high. This is the 4 hour, ladies and gentlemen. This is not the 5-minute. Okay? Right here, see? 4 hours. Look at the top of the chart. 4 hours. Okay? And right here. It's going to take a few minutes, but I want to show you the setups on here. My student, Fook, I think his name is something like that. He wants me to cover gold, but so I'm doing this just for you, my good student. So it went down 200 points there for this one, max potential. And then we had more divergence again at every turn and every corner. Right here, triple bottom, angled, okay? Divergence right here, angled. And you would have bought right there. And it went up. The stop would have been 142 points. Went up 174. You would have got your 1-to-1. Then we had hidden divergence. Oh, did I draw that? No. It looked like I drew it from the wrong place. Yeah, let me. Oh. Come on, you little bugger. There. Okay, that was level divergence, level here, but it wasn't on the chart, and it was a good trade. Let's see here. Hold on. Oh, I'm drawing it to the wrong one. It's this one. There's the divergent. You see that? That one's going down. That one's going up. We would have sold it right there. And down it went. 350 points. Then we had another one, I believe. No, actually. But anyway, if we held on all the way to the bottom, I know you wouldn't have. 746 points, okay? Then you'd think, well, do we have divergence down here? We do. Double bottom. Here's our old divergences I drew. So you would have got long right here. And it went up 298 points. And your stop would have been 93. So This is all you have to do, my student friend, is just go on the 4 hour and look for the trades, okay? Then we have hidden divergence. It's right here to right here. All on the 4 hour, right there, okay? See, lines up. It's right there, right there. So you would have got long right here. It's on every turn and corner here, man. But on the 5 minute, oh, it's a mess. I'll go right to the 5 minute chart after I show you all these trade setups. Okay, so the stop would have been 163 points, went up 280 points. Okay, what do we have up here? We have divergence. Okay, a high and a higher high. And down like this, below sea level. See, right there from the top to right there. See? And it went down. Would have got in over here a day or two later. Went down 250 points. There's another trade here. Actually, there's a trade here too. There's so many of them. Here's another one, Mode Z. Right here into here somewhere. Below sea level, something like that. Would have sold in here. Stop would have been very little. Oh, 100 points. And it went down 190, 94. You would have got your 1-to-1, man. You would have got it. So then you got a low and a lower low. Right here. Boom. Would have got long right there. Stop is 150 and it went up 300. Got 2-to-1 there. Is there divergence up here? Oh, yeah. We're almost done. Right from here. Just like that. You would have got short there. And it went down how much? 700 points. Let's catch this one now. It's right here. See the little blue doodah? Yeah, right there. To right there. You would have got short somewhere in here. And down it goes, 500 points. And then we have divergence right here, low and lower lows. Just like that. And you would have got in before the weekend, okay? And that entry point would have been exactly right there. How much did that go up? 1,000 points, ladies and gentlemen. And if you would have took this one from up here, it went down almost 1,200 points. Okay? So there's your divergence, my student friend. Okay? On the 4 hour, you can find some good ones. Look, it's looking like it's gonna, do a double top here and come back down again. But it could keep going up. Now, am I still on gold? Yeah, I'm still on gold. Did that not show up there? Yeah, it showed up there. It's my little tool. Okay. Did we have divergence today that we could have made money with? I don't see it. Actually, I do. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong day. There's today. Now I got it. Look at that shit. Can you trade that shit? Huh? My student friend? Can you trade this? No. So can you see why I don't want to look at gold on a 5-minute, my friend? Look at that shit. Can I find even one divergent trade? Yeah, I guess I can. But it's not perfectly clear, see? Like that. And like that. See what I bought right in here? In 5 minutes, it spiked up 72 points. Yeah. Forget gold, my friend. Forget gold. If you want to trade it, you got to go over here with the big boys. Okay, let's move on now. We covered the NASDAQ. We covered the MACD, showing you how different it is than the actual OSMA. And now we're going to move on to the S and the P. And what do we have here? Same trades. But it's okay. Right from the exact same points we're drawing it to. See, this one right here lines up with the opening of 8 o'clock. Okay? Same thing as the NASDAQ. See? Al is on the chart. Al made this chart. Al as in Algo. Oh, look, she's still pumping higher. Is the NASDAQ still pumping higher? Oh, yeah. She's still going. She's still going. She's going to go. She's probably going to go up here to the top here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's get back to the S and the P. Let's do the rest of the setups now. No more fooking around. Okay. We have a low, and a lower low, triple lows. Oh, I didn't put my arrow on this one yet. I'm sorry. Right here, you would have got short. Okay, right here. And it went down 23 points on the S and the P. Then we would have got long over here. And it's still going. Wow, that didn't give the best place to enter after that big candle up, I guess. Yeah. So we would have got long here. And up it went. 36 points. Let's take a look at the Dow. Oh, Dow was choppy in here. That is what you call a bull flag. Let me show you the pole and everything, okay? Let me show ya. You know, they always say, oh, there's a bull flag. There's a bull flag. Yeah. Here's the pole right here. Okay? See the bull flag? That's it. There's the pole and there's the flag. Okay, it's not a square flag like you'd see, you know, like somewhere, you know, in the United States or Canada, they have a square, like a rectangle long flag. Okay, the flags that are on charts are triangle ones. They're like the little flag you wave in the air. I don't know. Where do you wave those things? At a sports game or something, you wave these little goof, these little flags. Well, you see, that's it. Let me draw it longer. Hold on. There. Now you see it better. See? See the flag? Yeah. So then you would buy right here. Buy right here. And up it goes. 140 points. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of things in trading. Believe me, you know, just when you think you've seen it all, some guy comes out with something else. Like I saw something in the last few days. I can't show it because it's not my strategy. It's not my content to put on a channel. I wouldn't be surprised the guy would come after me or something, even though he gives it away for free, but he calls it a little hook, and that's all I can say about it. Anyway, so that was the S and the P. You didn't really have divergence down here or up here. No, you didn't. On the Dow, all you had is this bull flag right here to buy it, and up it goes. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Right, right. Let's look at oil now. Oil is real choppy, crappy today. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. Woo! Look at this fucking shit. Oh, shh. Jason, don't swear. Don't swear. I've had a few complaints. People saying, you know, your channel would be a lot better if you didn't say the F word. I just went, oh, okay. So we have a high, a retracement, and a higher high. Oh, we have a trade even before that. Hold on, right here. A low and a lower low on the wickers. And there's the divergence, right? Right there, like that. Would have bought in right there. Buy right there. Up it goes, 53 points. To the top, it went 80 points on the Dow. Dow didn't, or no. This is oil. Went up 80 points on oil. Okay, then we had the high, the higher high. Yeah. The high and the higher highs. There it is. Would have got short right here. Me too. I was looking for my oil trade, didn't see it, gave up on it, and I saw this choppy up and down channel shit, and I said, F that, I said. F that. So you would have got short right here. Your stop would have been here, 38 ticks on oil, and oil went down 150 ticks from that point of entry. We only had one higher close, sell it, down it goes trade throughout the whole thing. But you could also look at it in a different way, where right here, let me show you. Let me put a line on there, right here. Let's go to the 1 minute. See, there's the trade. But it closed above the moving averages. But anyway, and then it went down. So you can go to the 1 minute and get these little trades right here. See? Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher closes, sell it after it clears them, like I told you about the ones that close up here. And then you have a candle they smack it down. It closes near the low of the candle. The 5 is down below the 7. You got good distance between the two moving averages. It's screaming at you right here, ladies and gentlemen, right here, to sell the freaking thing. And within 10 to 15 minutes, it went down 100 points. And that's it. That's it for oil. We'll see you tomorrow. Let's go to the pound now. What did the pound do? Oh, whoa. Not good. Well, no, look at this. There's trades. You just gotta find them. We got long right in here. This is the 5 minute pound dollar. Okay, we got long right in here. Up it goes, 30 pips on the pound. You'd think there's some divergence here, but there isn't, because this side's higher than this side. Oh, pound's pushing up some more. So there was no sell trade here, but we did have divergence again from the bottom, right? We always want to buy as low as you possibly can to the bottom of moves. Okay? And you want to sell as high as possible from the top of the move. But don't try and assume and pick tops and bottoms. You got to see the setup first. Everything has to fall into place. Otherwise, you're going to screw yourself. Oh, shh, Jason, shh. No swearing. Oh, shh. Okay. Sorry, got a little distracted there for a second. You would have bought in here. And where did it go? It went up 40 pips to that high. 50 pips to that one. I bet you could find some setups on the 1 minute. Let's just go quickly look. Oh, yeah. Look at them all. Look at them all. Holy tamale. See, really these days you shouldn't be, well, you should and you shouldn't, but you should be trading the 1 minute. That's what I'm trying to say. Here we got low and lower lows. See, right there. You would have bought right there. Up it goes. Here's a hidden divergence trade right here. Okay. Boom, boom. Buy it here. Up it goes. And then up here we got a high and a higher high. Actually, you could draw it from here. Okay, high and higher highs. Okay, would have sold it in here. Beautiful day to trade on the pound. On the 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen, the 1 minute. So look here, here, look. 50 pips to the bottom from that top. But you couldn't see this on the 5 minute. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, it's kind of tricky sometimes. And you can trust the setups just as, even though because it's on a 1 minute, you know, traders look at it and go, oh, I don't know if I trust it. It's on the 1 minute. And you know, back in Forex, back in the days when the market really used to move, you could not trust the 1 minute for setups of anything. Okay? But today it's changed. You know, we have new generation traders now. You know, a lot of the traders from back then, they don't trade anymore. They gave up on it, you know? It's just diehards like me and ICT that's been doing it for like, you know, 20, 30 years, you know? There's also another guy, Travis. He's been trading a long time too, Travis. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, there's lots of divergence all over the freaking place. Buy it here, up it goes. You can see it right here. Let me just show you. I'll show you these last two on here. This video's long today, again. You would have bought it in there. It went up 40 points. And then there's just one more, okay? Right here. These just don't pull back till there. All right, from here to here. You would have bought it in here. Somewhere in here. No, there's just moving averages were kissing each other. It was right here. You got to see that space. Yeah, could have bought right there. And up it goes, 21 pips. Here's actually another one. See, look at this. Look at this. Divergence all over town, ladies and gentlemen. All over town. No kidding, man. Buy right here. Yeah, it's the end of the day. It's like 12 lunchtime now. Only 12 pips on that one. But look at all the other ones, eh? You would have made the pips, baby. You would have made the pips all over the place. Keep going, Jason. Euro dollar. Oh, what'd the euro dollar do? This is 5 minutes. Oh, look. We finally have a loser. There, let me show you the winner first. We're on the 5 minute, ladies and gentlemen. Euro USD. And we have a low. Oh. No. Guess the only way we could draw this one was like this. Yeah. There wasn't one here because this valley is deep. And this is a little crick right here, a little crick. So there's no drawing it from here to here. That was not a buy trade in here. Okay? However, it was a buy trade in here. Is it the best divergence setup, you know, on the chart, like right here? No, not really, okay? But if we stretch it out, then it looks better, see? Okay. It is divergent, though. There's no divergent down here. And anyway, you would have bought somewhere in there. You would have had to jump in because it really boogied up. Okay, went up 16 pips. And then up here, there's no divergence here because this side needs to be lower than this side of the mountain here. Okay? Here's that loser I was just talking about. You got to have losers. You know, you can't have all winners, ladies and gentlemen, even though divergence gives you an extremely high rate of winners. Like we're talking 8 or 9 out of 10. But even though you have 8 or 9 or 10, you're losers. You could lose 3 times what you made on a winner. So in the end, the trick to the whole thing is you gotta have more trades with more profit than your losing ones. Otherwise, you're gonna go backwards. It's not gonna be good. Okay? Okay. So you would have got short right on the opening or somewhere in here on this candle. It didn't go nowhere. It's a loser, man. It's a freaking loser. It's right here. Had no follow through. But then, no, there's no trade to buy it here either. I thought we had a trade. Well, you could, you could. If you really want to meticulously look for it, right here, remember that the pullback on the left side needs to be lower than the pullback on the right side. Okay? Okay, let's bring this over here. Let's do some cheating. No, we're not cheating. It's right here. As long as this side is higher than this side. See? This one's going up. This one's going down. See? Right there, lines up, see? And right there. La-di-da. And you would have got long right in here. Right there. Moving it. The average is separating. Yeah, buy it. 7 points. 7 pips stop. Went up 26 pips. That's really good for the euro, you know. It doesn't really go anywhere. Today it did, though. It went up 54, 55 points. Yeah, you should have seen back in the day. I wouldn't trade the freaking euro. It's crazy. You know what the spread was on the euro? 2 pips. You know what it was on the pound? 4 pip spread back then, ladies and gentlemen. And the pound yen, 9 pips, man, was the freaking spread. But oh, when the pound yen moved, that 9 pips was nothing. It used to move like 600, 500, 400 pip moves, man. All within an hour and a half, 2 hours. Not all day. It was crazy back then, so. It was what it was. It is what it is. Where do we have the next trade here? There's no trade to sell here. Nope, there's none. This one you'd have to, you know, make it up. So if you take it from here through here like this, actually, come on, you little bugger. Wake up. You're asleep. Look at that. It moves the freaking main pivot line instead. Holy jeez, it's stuck there. I can't click on it. What are you doing to me, you little bugger? It's right here. Look, it won't let me click on it. What the fuck, man? Finally. Jesus Christ. All right. Okay. Right here. Just never mind that part. See? There. But it got long here. $11 pip stop Euro USD. Went up 30 to there. Went up 38 to there. Okay, let's move on. Pound yen. Oh, look at this. How big is this dipper? 115 pips. I wonder what made that happen. The yen, the US dollar yen did that. Wow. And we don't have divergence here, see? Double bottom, but look, this low's lower than this one. There's no divergence to buy. Wow, pound yen's a write-off. If I came here, right here, at 8 o'clock this morning and said, where's, and saw this, I'd go, next, skip, next. Oh, look, Euro yen too. It was the yen. It was the freaking yen who did this. Wow, how big was the dipsy doodle on the yen, the EJ, Euro yen? 120 points, pips. Tired. Oh. We did have a trade though, and it was long after. It's from here to here. Okay. If you're brave enough to take it. Oh, maybe no. No. There's no trade, ladies and gentlemen. No trade. No trade on the EJ or the pound yen today. Okay, and that's it. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching and thank you for listening. And, you know, if you could, hit that like button. Apparently, it kicks in the algorithm at YouTube so that, you know, more, they fix it so that more people come to watch the show. That's why I'm asking you to click the like button. It's nothing about liking me or whatever. It's to kick the algorithm into rhythm so that it'll pick up more people who want to watch my channel. So if you could do that, it's free to like, it's free to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. That would be good. And yeah, so have yourself a great day. If you're trading this afternoon, good luck. Good trading. See you tomorrow.